Quick little update today. It's April 2nd, 2020. It snowed this morning quite a bit, but it's all melted now except on the mountain up there. You can see that. Everything down here is melted. Coronavirus stuff is still in full effect. Most people are staying home, staying isolated so they don't help spread it. Grocery stores have tape on the floor, creating little boxes so everybody can stay 6 feet away from each other. Certain counties have orders to not go anywhere. This one doesn't. It's interesting times. What else is going on? People with jobs considered essential are still working. Things like construction, grocery stores, convenience stores, and transportation and delivery. So I'm still doing food and package delivery for Amazon regularly, and still working with my main job. We got some more cows. We get some every year. You can see them back there in the pasture. Well, I think that's about all that's going on. Hope you're all doing well.